plant trees that belong here in Aotearoa, that were here before humans arrived. Trees that were here all the time, that belong here. So we're recreating a native ngahere. You are very lucky here in Tūrangi. You've got a lot more native trees. I'm looking up there at your beautiful maunga covered in native forest, which is pretty special. Wanting to bring back biodiversity. Biodiversity is just a big word that means lots of different living things. Well done, I'll throw you a high five. Good job! What aki means, right? What's aki mean? Forever and ever. The plant itself doesn't last forever and ever. It's quite short-lived. It's about 50, grow for about 50 years. But the wood from the plant was really hard and really durable, and it was used to make tools, anything that needed to really last. When the European settlers arrived, they used it to make machine parts and things if they couldn't get metal because it's so hard. So what do we do with the spade? Drill. Use it like a drill. Cool. Pop your tablet in. What are we going to do next? I'm going to do that over the